Hey everyone, we've got another one of these little puzzle problems. And in this case, our conditions are degree 4, n is equal to 4. And for roots, we've got -2, -1/2, and I. Ooh, this -1/2 is interesting. I want to start with that. We could simply just go ahead and say, look, it's x plus 1/2. That would work. Or we could also say, look, it's 2x plus 1. Ooh, that would work too. And you know what's going to change? The coefficient out in front. Remember, we're going to have some coefficient times this, and then over here it's going to be times some coefficient too. These two coefficients wouldn't be the same, but in the end, they'd be describing the same polynomial. So our choice doesn't matter. I think we might choose this one for the sake of working with the polynomial. Our other roots, we've got -2, so that's x plus 2, 2x plus 1, and then we have our I right here, so that's x minus I, and remember they're always paired, x plus I. And as a matter of fact, we can kind of cheat and say, look, this is going to be x squared plus 1, which, when we take and we multiply this out, x minus I times x plus I, we'll get x squared plus xi minus xi minus I squared, which is x squared. Well, these cancel, and minus I squared is plus 1. X squared plus 1. And remember, there's going to be multiplication by some constant, and it's all got to be equal to 18 at 1. Well, let's simplify this out a little bit first. Actually, you know what? I want to take these two, and I want to multiply them together next. That's, let's see here. So, x plus 2 times 2x plus 1. 2x squared plus x plus 4x plus 2. So 2x squared plus 5x plus 2. Great. And we'll fill that in. Great. And we've got our nice little constant out in front still. Looking at f of x right here. This is f of x. And you know, maybe it's easier to insert one in here, but I want to multiply everything out. I really want to do it. So I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to multiply 2x times x squared. And I'm going to get 2x to the 4th plus 2x squared. I'm going to get plus 5x cubed plus 5x. And then we're going to have plus 2x squared plus 2. And again with that same times a constant is equal to f of x. And we add this all up and we'll get 2x to the 4th plus 5x cubed plus 4x squared plus 5x plus 2 is equal to f of x, and we've got our coefficient out in front, our multiplier out in front. So I think all that's left now is to insert our special condition. F of 1 is equal to 18. So that's, I don't think we have enough room for this. Hang on. Okay. So we're going to take and we'll have something times 2 times 1 to the 4th plus 5 times 1 cubed plus 4 times 1 squared plus 5 times 1 plus 2 is equal to 18. Now some people say that multiplication by 1 is kind of boring, but you know what? I will take it. So 2 plus 5 is 7, 11, 16, 18. So 18 times our special multiplier is 18. That means that that multiplier is 1. And our function happens to be 2x to the 4th plus 5x cubed plus 4x squared plus 5x plus 2. And I wanted to say that this right here, having that multiplier be equal to 1, was tied very closely into this decision right here to make this be 2x plus 1. If we'd have gone ahead and done x plus 1/2, then this multiplier would have been equal to 2, right? 2x plus 1 is twice x plus 1/2. So this tends to be, if you can write those factors like this, that's probably going to give you the easier solution when it comes time to finding your multiplier. All right, great job everyone. I'll see you next time.